friends, welcome back to English Destination. Today's video is based on important uses of over. Here you will come across how to use over and where to put over. This will clear all your doubts regarding the preposition over. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. I have mentioned here 3 different kinds of uses of over along with meaning, examples and pictures for your better understanding. Let's move to the first meaning. First meaning of over is above or higher than something else. So first example is mentioned, a human being needs a roof over his head. So with the help of picture you can understand the meaning of over. So a human being needs a roof over his head. So here over is used to indicate higher than something else. Next, there was a twilight over her table. So twilight means the soft glowing light from the sky. So here you can see in the picture the whole table is covered with a twilight. So here you can use over. Next, the birds are flying over the snowy mountains. In the picture it is clearly seen that the birds are flying higher than the snowy mountains. Next, the plane flew over the city. So here the plane flew higher than the city. It is clearly seen from the picture. Okay, another use of over is to indicate from one side to the other, to move from one side to the other. So let's see examples. First, Vincent drove his car over the hill. So here in the picture you can clearly see that here Vincent drove his car over the hill. The hill is seen and he drove his car over the hill. So here this way you can use this over. Next, they had to come over the flyover. In the picture you can see. So to move from one side to the other you have to use this over. Next, he walked over the rock. You can see the boy walked over the rock. Next, she had to walk a long distance over the hill to visit his house. In the picture you can clearly see that over the hill, many hills are there, and she had to walk a long distance over the hill to visit his house. She had to walk a long distance from one side to the other. That is the meaning of over in this sentence. Okay, third meaning of over is more than. So in this context you can use over. Some examples are mentioned. Let's have a look at these examples. First, this book will cost you over rupees 200. It means that this book will cost you more than rupees 200. Here over means more than. Next, the course will be completed in over 3 months. Over 3 months means more than 3 months. Next, she took over rupees 20,000 for this project work. Over 20,000 rupees. It means over means more than rupees 20,000. Last one, it has been over 75 years of India's independence. So over means more than. So here we have learned 3 different kinds of uses of over. According to the context, you have to frame your own examples. Hope you understood well. See you soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing, keep learning and keep subscribing.